Look, say hi friends.
Hi friends.
Hi friends. Today I'm going to do a rainbow activity. I made a activity which we received from the school. So now Skyleen will do an activity. Let's get started, Skyleen. Okay? So where is the red color?
There's red color.
Red color is here.
Where's color here?
Yes. Give me 1 minute. You said here. How many colors we have in rainbow, Skyleen?
Red.
7 colors.
7 colors.
Yes. Do you know all the colors' name? Do you know? Yes or no?
Yes, now mommy. Yes.
Yes. What's the color? What's this color?
Red.
Red. Let's start it. Red. Wow. Wow. Tick. Now apply. Do it here. Yeah. Not there. Properly on these dots. You see the lines here? You have to fill it. Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Sit properly straight.
Stay.
Yeah. Wow, red. So, you like coloring?
Let's go color here.
Yes.
Yes.
Enjoying?
Are you trying?
Okay. Alright, so red is done. Now, which color we will take? Yellow. Okay. Blue. Blue we will take later on.
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. So, take some red. Let's do yellow.
Okay, I get it.
Yellow. Now wait. Slowly you have to do it. Take some more.
Yellow.
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Yes. What's the color of duckling?
Yellow duckling.
Yes. Can you sing one song?
Fire just swimming. Oh, for fire say, Mama quack, quack. Oh, fire just turn back.
My God, so much, so nice, Skyleen.
Mama, give me.
Acha, now which color you want to take? Red, yellow, green.
Yellow and
Green. Green. What's the color of your frog?
green frog there.
Green frog, yes. Green frog. And what's the color of leaf, baby?
Yes, there.
Yeah, what's the color of leaf?
Yes.
Tell me the color of leaf.
Yes, there.
No, say
Brown.
green.
Brown.
Green.
Green brown.
Green leaf.
Green leaf.
Yes. See? Almost done. Now we'll take orange.
Orange.
Then we will send this to your teacher.
Sema teacher.
Yes, Seema teacher. You like Seema teacher?
Like the Sema teacher?
Okay.
Indigo. Purple. Indigo.
Yes, this is purple.
Purple. Brown.
This is violet.
Violet.
Let's say blue.
Simple.
This is not blue. Blue is.
Okay.
This is which color?
Blue.
Blue.
Want to draw a picture?
Yes. Okay, now, Skyleen, see I have cottons here. So what's the color of cloud?
Green cloud.
No, what we will do, we will stick this cotton ball, cottons here, okay?
Cotton.
So it looks like cloud. What's the color of cloud, baby?
Pink cloud.
Pink cloud, no, white cloud.
White cloud.
Yes, where's the Fevicol?
White color. Mama? Oh. Okay. What?
You can also do this activity with your child. They'll definitely gonna love it. Okay, take this cotton and stick it here.
Stick it there.
Yeah.
Here.
Stick. Keep it. Leave it. Leave. Take another one. Do it. Yes. Stick there.
Stick there.
Take. Stick. Yes. Take some more. You have to cover it all. Here. You have to stick like this. Come. See, your cloud, your rainbow is almost ready. See? You like your rainbow?
Like you cloud?
Cloud, yes. Keep, stick. Now take some more.
Take this more.
Stick it here.
Stick it there.
Yes, take more.
Take
Here.
Here.
Wow, see, Skyleen rainbow is ready. Skyleen, now say, see friends.
See, friends.
I made it. Say, I made rainbow. Hold. Look at daddy. Say, I made it.
I made it.
Yes. Thank you for watching.